Welcome to BuyTheDip.news. Today is June 1st, 2026. Our AI model found 8 stocks today with both an article rating of buy and a metric score rating of buy, based on our fundamental and technical analysis. In this video we cover 3 of them. Here's the breakdown. The following content is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always conduct your own research before making any investment decisions. CYTK Cytokinetics, Incorporated, a biopharmaceutical company. Healthcare sector. Biotechnology. Cytokinetics Incorporated, Nasdaq, CYTK, announced the first commercial European launch of Mycorrhiza, aficamten, in Germany for the treatment of symptomatic NYHA class 2 to 3 obstructive hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, OHCM, in adult patients, following European Commission approval in February 2026 based on positive results from SEQUOIA-HCM pivotal phase 3 clinical trial demonstrating robust efficacy, safety, and clinically meaningful benefits across symptoms, exercise capacity, hemodynamics, and biomarker endpoints published in New England Journal of Medicine. The allosteric and reversible inhibitor of cardiac myosin motor activity reduces cardiac contractility and LVOT obstruction in patients with OHCM, with treatment with aficamten for 24 weeks significantly improving exercise capacity compared to placebo, increasing peak oxygen uptake by 1.76 milliliters per kilograms per minute measured by cardiopulmonary exercise testing, CPT, compared to baseline in patients treated with Mycorrhiza versus 0. Here are the key growth metrics for CYTK: sales growth trailing 12 months, 450.6%, weighted at 25%. EPS growth next 5 years, 35.4%, weighted at 25%. Target price upside, 39.9%, weighted at 20%. Gross margin percent, 87%, weighted at 15%. Drawdown from 52-week high, minus 6.7%, weighted at 15%. Overall score, 82.50 out of 100. Metric rating, buy. To summarize, CYTK article recommendation is buy, growth stock score is 82.50 out of 100, metric rating, buy. BAB, Alibaba Group Holding Limited, through its subsidiaries. Consumer cyclical sector. Internet retail. At present, the world's largest IPO remains the 2019 listing of Saudi Aramco, which raised $25.6 billion when it debuted on the Saudi Stock Exchange, overtook the long-standing record previously held by Alibaba Group's 2014 New York listing, raising $21.8 billion, and became a landmark moment for global technology IPOs. SpaceX represents a blend of aerospace, broadband infrastructure, defense technology, and AI-related computing ambitions, with its Starlink satellite internet network already becoming the largest satellite communication system in the world, and Starship rocket program and proposed orbital data center plans adding further long-term growth narratives that supporters believe justify unprecedented valuations. Here are the key growth metrics for BAB: sales growth trailing 12 months, 4.4%, weighted at 25%. EPS growth next 5 years, 42.6%, weighted at 25%. Target price upside, 53.2%, weighted at 20%. Gross margin percent, 39.3%, weighted at 15%. Drawdown from 52-week high, minus 34.7%, weighted at 15%. Overall score, 71.00 out of 100. Metric rating, buy. To summarize, BAB article recommendation is buy, growth stock score is 71.00 out of 100, metric rating, buy. NVIDIA Corporation. Technology sector. Semiconductors. NVIDIA, was added to D.A. Davidson's best-of-breed Bison list, with the firm citing its dominant position in AI infrastructure, durable competitive advantages, and exceptional financial profile as evidence of long-term quality. NVIDIA passed 10 out of 12 criteria used to screen for inclusion, including non-GAAP gross margins of roughly 70% to 75%, operating margins near 60% and free cash flow margins exceeding 40%, all well above semiconductor peer averages, with management sizing the AI infrastructure opportunity at roughly $3 to $4 trillion by 2030 and over $1 trillion in cumulative demand for next-generation platforms through 2027. The firm believes NVIDIA's CUDA software ecosystem combined with continuous product innovation across Blackwell and Rubin architectures has made it the default infrastructure layer for hyperscalers, AI labs, and enterprises, creating high switching costs that reinforce leadership as AI workloads shift from training to inference. Here are the key growth metrics for NVIDIA: sales growth trailing 12 months, 70.7%, weighted at 25%. EPS growth next 5 years, 44.1%, weighted at 25%. Target price upside, 37.5%, weighted at 20%. Gross margin percent, 74.2%, weighted at 15%. Drawdown from 52-week high, minus 5.2%, weighted at 15%. Overall score, 85.00 out of 100. Metric rating, buy. To summarize, NVIDIA article recommendation is buy, growth stock score is 85.00 out of 100, metric rating, buy. That wraps up today's 3 buy-rated stocks. There are 5 more buy-rated stocks today that you can view at BuyTheDip.news, along with full analysis for every stock. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe for daily signals. Visit BuyTheDip.news to access buy-rated stocks and full growth metrics in real time, the moment they are available rather than after market hours, along with hundreds of additional stocks that weren't rated a buy each trading day. See you next time.